Hi guys, welcome back to Solid.js tutorials. This is Sai Kumar Kurtivada. In this video, we will learn how to install our Solid.js first application and how to run them in our localhost. So to install this Solid.js, first thing is we need to have a node package manager and a node which is installed in our system. So let me check that whether we have that node or not. Let me use something like node hyphen version, and it will give me node version 16.16.0. If you don't see this, and if you see that node is not recognized as an internal or external command, immediately you go into your browser, just go into node.js download, and you can install the latest stable version, and you can install this 18.16.1 if you need it. For now, I don't want to update. I want to use only 16.16.60, so I can use that for my node installation. Now the second step is how to install our Solid.js. So already we have this node over here. Now let me install our Solid.js. Solid.js can be installed by using npx command. So now let me create my application by using npx command, npx and digit for downloading our Solid.js by using Solid.js templates /js. If you want to use ts, you can use ts over here, but I want to go with js as of now. And let me give an application name. Let me use it as solid tutorials, and let me hit enter. So it installs our required packages. So it is asking whether we want to install digit yes, and just hit enter. Now it cloned our Solid.js template with JS format. Now let me go into Visual Studio Code, and now let me go here and just open a folder which we have installed. So this is a folder which I have installed, and if you see here, there is no node modules over here. Let me go into the terminal and install our node modules. So here is my terminal. Let me zoom it a bit, and now let me use npm install. And if you see here, it is using white configuration for compilation process. So now we will be using this npm install, and it will install all the node modules which are mentioned in this package.json. So inside this package.json, they have a white for the compilation and the configuration purpose, and solid dev tools. It will install all the solid dev tools along with this plugin solid. And let me wait for some time. So it once installed, we can run any of the script which are given default. So now I can go with start, npm run start. So everything was downloaded, and now you can see a node modules over here. It has the git ignore. Let me go into git ignore, and already that node modules present in the git ignore, so no need to add anything. Let me go here and just run the script npm run start, because the default script for running an application which is given in the package.json is start. So it is used to start your application, and it is running at 3000. Let me click on this, and you can see this is a initial setup for your Solid.js. Let me go back, and now where this UI is coming from, we'll see how this UI is rendered on the browser and how it has been flown from our package.json to a particular file where we have all this content. So that we will see in the upcoming video. For this video, we are able to run our application and open that in your browser with localhost 3000. So here you have a localhost of 3000, but if you want to run the same application in another port, for example, you want to write your own script. So for example, I can go with dev white hyphen port is equal to 4500. You can make something like this and just quit the terminal which is already running and just use npm run dev. Now your port will be 4500. Let me hit this. You can see the same solid application at 4500. Let me reload this. This will be terminated because we quit the terminal. So now here you can see 4500. If you want to configure any of the port, you can configure over here. So this is about your Solid.js introduction and the setup. In the upcoming video, we will see the structure and what are the files which we are using in the Solid.js and how they are used for our control flow from our package.json to a particular index.js file. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.